Hello, welcome to Dawa CIT. Today I'm going to talk about insert operation in ASP.NET Gridview. I mean how to use this operation and insert the value from front-end to back-end and display data from back-end to front-end page. And this is a very important topic and we should know each and every steps. Before starting, we should know first what is Gridview. Gridview is a rich and versatile control which helps we can retrieve the data from database and display the value of a data source in a tabular format in the front end. In Gridview control, we can use DML operation like insert, update, delete and one special thing select operation. In my last video, we already discussed about select operation, but today we will discuss about insert operation. So without delay, let's get started. I have already made the design. So let's see the design. If I insert any value here, then it will first store in the database and then display in the grid view. How and in what way the insert operation is used in the grid view, this is what we will learn today. So first of all, we have to create a database. So open SQL Server. I already created database. If you don't know how to create a database, I will give a link in the description below and you can watch from there. Customer is a database name and customer TBL is a table name. Here I have taken 6 columns: customer ID, customer name, address, mobile number and email ID, etc. You can give the name of the columns according to you. Okay. So first of all, we have to type coding on submit button. So come back to Visual Studio. Click on source. btn submit. In submit button, you type here, on click, create new event. Right click here and view code. Before typing anything here, first we have to define connection string in web config. So open web config, type here connection strings. Inside connection string, type here add name DBCS. You can write here anything, okay, as your according. Connection string, data source, and type here server name. How to find your server name? Open SQL Server, click on File, connect Object Explorer. Say server name, okay, copy. And paste here. Semicolon, initial catalog, type here database name. Your database name is customer, right? Semicolon, integrated security, equal to true. Control plus S, save, open index.spx.cs, and now type here namespace using system dot data, using system dot data dot SQL client, using system dot configuration, and now type here string variable name, string name, cs configuration manager dot connection string, and type here connection string name, this, paste, dot connection string semicolon. Inside btn submit, type here using SQL connection and variable name con equal to new SQL connection, and type here this string name cs, and type here con dot open SQL command cmd equal to new SQL command, type here insert into table name, this table name, okay, customer TBL, customer TBL, values, and type here single quotation mark, inside double quotation mark, inside plus plus, and type here text box name, this, okay, txt name, txt name dot comma single quotation mark, double quotation mark, plus plus, and type here txt address dot text single quotation mark, comma single quotation mark, comma single quotation mark, double quotation mark, plus plus, and type here txt mobile number, right, txt mob dot text text, comma single quotation mark, double quotation mark, plus plus, and type here txt email dot text text, semicolon, and type here int t equal to cmd dot execute non-query if t is greater than 0, response dot write double quotation and type here script, close script tag, and type here alert single quotation mark and type here word as your recording. Okay, so when the value has inserted correctly, then the message will be shown like data has been submitted semicolon, click on build solution, build succeeded. Okay, there is no error here. Okay, so now Ctrl plus S, save and execute. Here there is no need to provide customer ID because customer ID is already set by identity, one by one. So that's why there is no need to enter here customer ID. Okay, it's a by default store one by one. So enter customer name Samir Verma, like address Delhi South X, enter mobile number and type your email ID. Now click on submit button. See, data has been submitted successfully. Now let's check a database. Right click and execute SQL. See, data is stored in the customer table, See, one row has affected Shamir Verma, Delhi South X. If you want all this text to be cleared after submission, then you will have to write some code. Come back to Visual Studio. I will create here function for clearing all the text. Type here void function name clear txt name dot text semicolon txt add dot txt txt mob dot text txt email dot text, and now this clear function copy and paste here. Ctrl plus V semicolon Ctrl plus S, save, open browser and refresh. Enter customer name Aman Malhotra, address Mumbai West, mobile number, email ID @com, and now click on submit button. See, data has been submitted successfully. Now we will see the text is also clear, right? Now let's check. Right click, execute SQL. Say Amal Malhotra, Mumbai West. Data is inserted. If anything mistake while inserting, then you can also reset. For this process, we have to write code on reset button. Okay. Open index.spx and type here on click, create new event and right click and view code, and now copy this and paste here. Ctrl plus S, save, open browser and refresh. If anything mistake while inserting, then you can remove all this text using reset button. Say all this text have removed, right? And now whatever I inserted the data in database, this data I want to display in grid view here. Okay, so come back to Visual Studio, click on Toolworks, double click on Grid View, Design Mode, and now click on Auto Format and select Design as your according. Okay. Now click on Edit Column, select Bound Field, click on Add. In Header Text section, type here Customer ID and Data Field, type here this column name. Okay, CID, Customer ID, CID. Now again select Bound Field, click on Add, type here Customer Name, Data Field, this column names. Okay, CNNAME, Customer Name. Select Bound Field, click on Add and type here Address, Data Field, column name. Okay, select Bound Field, click on Add and type here Mobile Number, Data Field, MOB number, MOBNO. Select Bound Field, click on Add, Email ID, Data Field, this column name. Okay, I changed the name of header text of customer ID and customer name. Okay, deselect auto generate fields and click on OK. Okay, right click, view code, protected, void, gv bind, grid view function I declare here. I have a code, so I copy and paste here. I have already made a video on this topic, how to retrieve data from database and display in Gridview. If you didn't watch this video yet, then I will give a link in the description below. You can watch from there. And now call that function in page load event. If not is post back, and paste here. Now we call this function in submit button. Ctrl plus V, paste. Now Ctrl plus S, save. Open browser, refresh. See, there are two rows are inserted. Now I will insert a new customer information. Customer name Rohan Sergil. Address Bangalore West. Mobile number, email ID .com. Click on submit button. Data has been submitted successfully. See, Rohan Sergil is also inserted. Now I will again insert a new customer information. Kunal Khanna. Address Kolkata. Mobile number, email ID @.com. Now click on submit. A new row inserted, right? See, Kunal Khanna is also inserted in the customers table, right? Now let's check a database. Right click, execute SQL. See, there are 4 rows have inserted, right? In this way you can insert the data and show it in Gridview. It's a very easy and you can use in your project. That's all for today. I will catch you with another new video. Till then, stay connected with our channel Dawa CIT. Thank you so much for watching.